iPhone SE 2020 unboxing video. After more than 2 weeks of waiting, this box has finally arrived home. And now let's see what is inside. We all know what is inside actually. This is 64GB version of the iPhone SE 2020. I chose white colored for me. This is my favorite color, especially with this black front. And what we see first? We see Apple documentations first. Apple stickers and welcome to iPhone letters maybe. Yes, they are. We also have this metal pin removal tool, which will help you to swap your SIM card. And this is the iPhone itself. It should be with iOS 13 installed. Yeah, it's nice. What you think, guys? What we have here, this is USB power adapter. And AirPods with lightning connector, but unfortunately without adapter for a 3.5mm jack. If you want to use your old headphones, for example, you should consider buy one for about $9. We have also lightning to USB cable to transfer your data into charge your phone. Well, I like how it shines in my hands and how it feels actually. It feels definitely not cheap, I'm telling you guys. I like how this white back and black front matches perfectly and makes this phone to look so aesthetically good. Nice, it is to my liking. This is how it compares to my old iPhone, which is the original iPhone SE, by the way. It looks huge, but it's not. It is still the smaller form factor, which is in production from Apple. Let's peel it out and see how it looks without this protection. Wow. I'm happy. It has 4.7-inch widescreen LCD IPS display with True Tone technology. This screen also has fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. The processor is A13 Bionic, the latest chip. This chip is the most powerful processor these days, and even just imagine the most expensive flagship Android phones doesn't have such a power. This is the best reason to buy this iPhone in 2020, together with the price of $399 and 5 years of updates, makes the purchase such a good deal in my thinking. It is also splash, water and dust resistant. It is rated IP67. And it should last about 30 minutes under 1 meter of water, but keep in mind that Apple doesn't cover such a damage. The camera is 20 megapixel wide with f1.8 aperture, optical image stabilization, 6 elements lens, next generation smart HDR for photos, and video recording to 4K at 6 FPS. We have 7 megapixel front camera with f/2.2 aperture portrait mode. Together with newest chip A13 Bionic, it should make very good photos in daylight according to Apple. But we will see. This phone uses Touch ID instead of Face ID, which is also to my liking. It has fingerprint sensor, second generation, built into the home button, and with this taptic engine inside, makes the button to react like physical one. And this is really natural and good. Wireless charging and fast charging is supported. It has dual SIM capabilities as well. And now my conclusion. So, listen, this is the best deal for the price in 2020. This phone definitely makes me happy, and I'm loving it so far. I will make 2 or 3 weeks later video to tell you how I feel with this phone, using it as my daily driver, and I will share my thoughts about it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Bye for now, and please subscribe for the channel if you want more videos like this in future.